Hi everyone, it's Mary. Welcome back to my channel. Do you guys remember this card here? Or these cards? These cards are the made cards they made a couple weeks ago by purchasing an Amazon kit. And these are right here are the butterflies that I decided to punch out. My own butterflies, my own ink and stuff, so it's not store-bought. But I thought these smaller butterflies were actually better than the bigger ones that I demoed when I had it. I was limited access to my craft room, so I did what I bet I could do while not being in my craft room. But here you go. These are the card set that I bought, and I just put butterflies on them. Just kind of changed up the butterfly colors. And initially I said that I would give this to my Etsy as my Etsy thank you card, but I decided to actually just put thinking of you and use these for my donation to the hospital cards for card with a purpose. But they all have thinking of you and then just the different colors of butterfly. But this is not what we're making because we've already made this. What we're making is this card holder here. So this is how I package it. So it's just more presentable. I package it like this and then I give it to the hospital. So this one's not my original measurements. The person who created this desk caddy is what she calls it, or sorry, not desk, card caddy, is by Mary Nabe, and she's a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'll give you her link so you can check out her original video. All right, so let's get started. What you'll need is a sheet of paper, 2 sheets of paper. That's 8.5 by 11, but you'll cut it to 6.5 by 8.5. So you'll need those two cut. And then, so you'll have 2 leftover pieces. One you'll keep, and the other one you can use for another project. Essentially 3 pieces here. And then for here, you've got the matting for the front and the sides. And this one measures 4 1/4 by 3.5. And then this one measures 1 7/8 by 3.5. All right, so scoring wise, they're going to be scored the same, these 2 pieces here. So we're going to score at, on the vertical side first, we're going to score at 1 and 5.5. And then we're going to rotate it 3 3/4 and 4 3/4. So you're going to bring the other piece in. We're going to score at 1 and 5.5. Rotate it 3 3/4 and 4 3/4. And that's it for the scoring. So let's put the scoreboard up. And now we're just going to basically burnish and cut a little piece, but this is what it looks like. Guys, thank you for your time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this project. Very quick, very easy, minimal paper, yeah, minimal paper used, and I like it. It's simple, but it does the job. Does it what I need to do. So thank you, Marinette and Abe, for the measurements and your creations, and hope to see you guys again next week, and hopefully you guys have a good week. Please let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you. Bye.